Hey, what's up everyone? Are you in the middle of a raid in Whiteout Survival and your game just freezes completely? It is the absolute worst when you are counting on every move. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to help you get a stable experience and stop those freezes mid-raid. First things first, let's look at your graphics. A lot of the time, freezing mid-raid is a sign that your device is struggling to keep up with all the on-screen action. Go into the Whiteout Survival settings and lower the graphics quality. You might also want to turn off things like high frame rate modes or any extra visual effects to reduce the strain on your phone. Next up, let's think about your phone's memory. Every app running in the background is using up your phone's resources. So before you start a raid, swipe up and close all other applications. These frees up RAM and CPU power, giving Whiteout Survival more room to run smoothly and preventing those mid-game freezes. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the app's cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Whiteout Survival, and in the storage section, you'll see an option to clear cache. This is totally safe, won't delete your game progress, but it will get rid of any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the freezes. While a raid might seem like it's all about your device's power, a poor internet connection can also cause freezing. The game needs to constantly sync with the servers to register what's happening, so go ahead and switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around, and see if that provides a more stable connection. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the answer. But a word of warning, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to an account like Facebook or a Google or Apple ID. If you're not linked, you will lose your game. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Whiteout Survival again from the store. I hope one of these tips help you fix those mid-raid freezes and you're back to dominating the battlefield. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.